Hello everyone. I welcome you all on your YouTube channel Let's Master English where we learn and practice English language. In this video I am going to share more than 40 daily use sentences which are very important when it comes to speaking English. Okay? These sentences are very important and useful in our daily life. So if you want to enhance your English, if you don't know about English, okay, so you can follow these sentences. You can follow this method to enhance your English. Okay, this is day 100 day challenge. Okay, this is 100 day challenge. I have created DUS series. Okay, daily use sentences. Okay, today I am going to record DUS 39. Okay. So if you want to enhance your English, if you want to speak in English, okay, please follow these steps and be the part of this channel. Okay, subscribe this channel and follow all these steps. Okay, and practice with me. Just I'm doing. Okay, just as I'm doing. So in this video, basically I'm going to speak one Hindi sentence, then I will speak it into English. Okay. Basically, I will translate that sentence into English by writing that sentence on the screen. Okay. And at the end of the video, I will speak out all the Hindi sentence for you to practice by yourself at home. And in this way, we are going to practice. Okay. If you don't know, don't worry. This video is going to help you. Okay. Just memorize these sentences and use it whenever you get an opportunity around you. Okay. So let's start with the very first sentence we have. लोग अक्सर मुझे पूछते हैं लोग अक्सर मुझे पूछते हैं People often ask me. People often ask me. People often ask me. Okay? People often ask me. So whenever you get a chance to use this sentence, please use it. Because if you are not using these sentences, okay, so then you will uh, forget these sentences. So use it. Okay, use it in your daily life. Okay, it is important, very important. आप कब कब खेलने जाते हो आप कब कब खेलने जाते हो इफ यू वांट टू आस्क समवन आप कब कब खेलने जाते हो सो simply say you can simply say what we can say how often how often do you go to play how often do you go to play do you go to play how often do you go to play how often do you go to play ओके आप कब कब खेलने जाते हो कब कब को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं how often do you go to play how often do you go to play okay this way so let's move on the next sentence राहुल कहाँ कहाँ जाता है राहुल कहाँ कहाँ जाता है where all does राहुल go where all does राहुल go where all does राहुल go okay make sure you're practice with me okay just write these sentences into English on your notebook. Okay. So sit with pen and paper and write these sentences. Okay. In this way, you are going to practice your writing as well as your speaking. Okay. If you write these sentences, then you will rectify or you can improve your spelling mistakes. Okay. Because this is the only way to if you don't want to make any mistake in spellings so you will have to practice your writing. Okay, so do it. It is very important. Okay, so now let's go for the next one. रिया अपना काम खुद करती है. Okay, रिया अपना काम खुद करती है. रिया does her work. Riya does her work herself. Riya does her work herself. Okay. Riya does her work herself. Okay. So, in this way, you're going to use this sentence. मैं शायद ही कभी वहां जाता हूं. मैं शायद ही कभी वहां जाता हूं. I seldom go there. I seldom go there. I seldom go there. Or we can say I rarely go there. Okay, both are correct. You can use any of them. Okay, श्वेता कब तक ऑफिस में रहती है? How long does Shweta stay in office? How long does Shweta, okay, Shweta, how long does Shweta stay in office? ऑफिस में कब तक रहती है? ओके, मैं घूमने जाता हूँ. आई गो फॉर अ वॉक. 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 आप क्या करते हो? किसी को पूछना है आप क्या करते हो. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दिस इन दिस सेंटेंस यू कैन से व्हाट डू यू डू. व्हाट डू यू डू. व्हाट डू यू डू. व्हाट डू यू डू. आप क्या करते हो? व्हाट डू यू डू. ओके, ये सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. ये सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. इट साउंड्स गुड. इट साउंड्स इट साउंड्स गुड. ओके, इट साउंड्स गुड. सुनने में अच्छा लगना. साउंड करना. ओके, साउंड करना मतलब सुनने में अच्छा लगना. ओके, आप किस किस के साथ खेलते हो? हु ऑल डू यू प्ले विद. हु ऑल हु ऑल डू यू प्ले. डू यू प्ले विद. Who all do you play with? Or we can say with who all do you play? Okay, but this is the better one. Okay, you can use it. Who all do you play with? Who all do you play with? Okay. राम फुटबॉल खेलता है. राम प्लेज फुटबॉल. राम प्लेज फुटबॉल. फुटबॉल. Okay. Write these sentences in your notebook. Okay, you can take a rough notebook. Okay, and you can just practice your writing skill. Okay, it doesn't matter how you're writing. Okay, so just write it down. Okay, it doesn't matter your how your writing is. Okay, how your handwriting is. Okay, so just write it down. राम फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है. राम doesn't play football. राम doesn't play football. Football. Ram doesn't play football. Ram doesn't play football. Okay. So क्या राम फुटबॉल खेलता है? Does Ram play football? Does Ram play football? डज राम प्ले फुटबॉल? क्या राम फुटबॉल खेलता है? डज राम प्ले फुटबॉल? ओके, क्या राम फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है? डज राम नॉट प्ले फुटबॉल? डज राम नॉट प्ले डज राम नॉट प्ले फुटबॉल? Does Ram not play football? Okay, this is question. So we will put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Ram क्या खेलता है? What does Ram play? Okay. What does Ram play? What does Ram play? राम क्या खेलता है? What does Ram play? Okay. राम कैसे खेलता है? How does Ram play? How does Ram play? राम कैसे खेलता है? How does Ram play? Okay. राम कहाँ खेलता है? Where does Ram play? Okay. Where does Ram प्ले? Where does Ram play? राम कहाँ खेलता है? Where does Ram play? Okay. Where does Ram play? राम किसके साथ खेलता है? Whom does Ram play with? Okay. Whom does Ram play with? Okay. Whom does Ram play with? Whom does Ram play with? Or we can say, with whom does Ram play? With whom does Ram play? Okay. But this is the better one. Okay. This is preferred. So you can use this. Now let's move on the next one. Okay. We have राम कब तक खेलता है? राम कब तक खेलता है? when until when until when does Ram play? Until when does Ram play? Until when does Ram play? Okay. Until when does Ram play? राम कितनी बार खेलता? How many times does Ram play? 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 Okay. राम कहाँ कहाँ खेलता है? Where all does Ram play? 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 Okay. राम कब कब खेलता है? How often does Ram play? How often does Ram play? How often does Ram play? Okay. So you can use these sentences. Okay. You can see these sentences are very useful. Okay. And if you are observing, then most of the sentences are taken from present indefinite. Okay. So if you know tenses, then you can understand this. But if you don't know, don't worry. This video is going to help you how you can memorize these sentences and use it in your daily life. Okay. It is as simple as that. Okay. So this is, if you don't understand anything, just memorize these sentences, just cram it and use it. Okay. Okay. And after I will complete these series and then I will start grammar as well. Okay. So don't worry about that. Just follow these series. Okay, you're definitely going to speak in English. Okay, and very confidently speak with me. Okay, and do practice with me. Definitely, one day we will change everything, and we will able to convey our thoughts clearly and very easily. Okay, so make sure you're doing practice with me. So let's move on the next one. Okay, we मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ आई प्ले क्रिकेट आई प्ले क्रिकेट मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ आई प्ले क्रिकेट आई प्ले क्रिकेट मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ आई डोंट प्ले क्रिकेट आई डू नॉट या फिर डोंट ओके आई डोंट प्ले क्रिकेट आई डोंट प्ले क्रिकेट आई डोंट प्ले क्रिकेट ओके मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ क्या मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ इफ आई आस्किंग टू माई सेल्फ देन आई कैन से do I play cricket do I play cricket okay do I play cricket okay if I'm asking to me then I can say do I play cricket if I don't know whether I play cricket or not so we can simply ask do I play cricket okay do I play cricket in this way you can use these sentences okay क्या मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ do I not play cricket 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 or we can say don't I play cricket don't I play cricket क्या मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ if I asking to myself then I guess don't I play cricket don't I play cricket don't I play cricket okay राम जाता है okay this is very simple sentence राम जाता है राम goes राम जाता है राम goes okay राम घूमता है राम walks राम घूमता है राम walks okay राम घूमने जाता राम goes for a walk राम goes for a walk राम goes for a walk okay this word is pronounced as walk not walk ठीक है इसको कैसे प्रोनाउंस करना है walk ठीक है walk ये हमारा ऐसे वर्ड है walk talk ओके walk talk ओके नॉट इसको आपको ऐसे नहीं प्रोनाउंस करना है walk talk ओके you can simply say walk talk okay the letter L is silent okay so you can consider or you can learn you can keep it there in your mind okay so let's start translating some more sentences okay so are you ready for that let's go with the next one वह जाता है he goes he goes वह जाता है he goes okay he goes वो अक्सर घूमता है he often walks okay he often walks he often वॉक्स, ओके। वो शायद ही कभी घूमता है, ही सेल्डम वॉक्स। ही ही seldom walks, or we can say he rarely walks. He rarely walks. He rarely walks. He seldom walks. Okay. वो आप क्या क्या खाते हो? आप क्या क्या खाते हो? If you want to ask someone, okay, आप क्या क्या खाते हो? So don't say this in a sentence. Instead, you can say, what all do you eat? What all? आप क्या क्या खाते हो? What all do you eat? Okay. What all do you eat? What all do you eat? Okay. What all do you eat? Just like this. Okay. What all do you eat? If you want to know all the things, okay, all the veg or non-veg that you want to know about the person, okay, that he or she eats, okay. So you can know all the things, all the information by putting these question, okay. What all do you eat? Okay. आप कब कब खेलने आते हो? How often do you come to play? 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 Okay. So वो किसे प्यार करता है? वो किसे प्यार करता है? वो किसे प्यार करता है? Whom does he love? Whom does he love? Whom does he love? वो किसे प्यार करता? ओके। वो किसे प्यार करता? Whom does he love? Whom does he love? Whom does he love? Okay. Repeat the sentence. Okay. So that it will be easier for you to memorize the sentence. Okay. Just repeat as much as you can. Okay. And in this way you are going to learn. Okay. So Sanjeev कहाँ कहाँ जाता है? Where all does Sanjeev go? Where all कहाँ कहाँ does Sanjeev go? Where all does Sanjeev go? Where all does Sanjeev go? संजीव कहाँ कहाँ जाता है? ओके। मैं उसे घर भेज देता हूँ। मैं उसे घर भेज देता हूँ। आई सेंड हिम कहाँ भेजना है? होम आई सेंड हिम होम। मैं उसे घर भेज देता हूँ। आई सेंड हिम होम। वो किसकी कार चलाती है? Whose car does she drive? 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 ओके। आप किस किस के साथ बात करते हो? Who all do you speak with? Who all do you speak with? किस किस के साथ? Who all do you speak with? Who all do you speak with? Who all do you speak with? Okay. कौन जाता है? Who goes? Okay. Who goes? कौन जाता है? Who goes? Okay. कौन कौन जाते हैं, हु ऑल गो। ओके, हु ऑल गो। ओके, I have completed all the sentences and I spoke out all the sentences one by one and then I translated. Okay, those, okay, by writing on the screen, and I hope you have done the same. Okay, so now I am going to speak out all the Hindi sentence, okay, that I have covered so far for you to practice by yourself at home. Okay, it will be easier for you. Okay, just play the video, listen the Hindi sentence, and then speak out all the translation. Okay, okay, from your side. So you can practice this way. So now let me speak out all the Hindi sentences for you. Okay, लोग अक्सर अक्सर मुझे पूछते हैं. Okay, if you want to translate this sentence, so how will you translate? लोग अक्सर मुझे पूछते हैं. लोग अक्सर मुझे पूछते हैं. ओके, आप कब कब खेलने जाते हो? आप कब कब खेलने जाते हो? राहुल कहाँ कहाँ जाता है? रिया अपना काम खुद करती है. मैं शायद ही कभी वहां जाता. श्वेता कब तक ऑफिस में रहती है? मैं घूमने जाता हूँ. आप कहाँ आप क्या करते हो? ओके, ये सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. आप किस किस के साथ खेलते हो? राम फुटबॉल खेलता है. राम फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है. क्या राम फुटबॉल खेलता है? क्या राम फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है? राम क्या खेलता है? राम क्यों खेलता है? राम कैसे खेलता है? राम कहाँ खेलता है? राम किसके साथ खेलता है? राम कब तक खेलता है? ओके, so these are the sentence similar sentences. Okay, just we have put question words. Okay, okay, all the structure which is used, okay, which are used in present indefinite tense. Okay, if you don't know, don't worry, memorize and use it. Okay, later on you will be able to understand all these sentences. Okay, so let's move on the next one. राम कितनी बार खेलता है? राम कहाँ कहाँ खेलता है? राम कब कब खेलता है? मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ. क्या मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ? क्या मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ? राम जाता है. राम घूमता है. राम घूमने जाता है. वह घूमता है. वो अक्सर घूमता है. वो शायद ही कभी घूमता है. ओके, आप क्या क्या खाते हो? ओके, आप क्या क्या खाते हो? ओके, प्लीज लेट मी नो about yourself. What all do you eat? Okay, so that I could know about yourself. Okay, so write me your answer in the comment. Okay, and write it that answer in your notebook as well, so that okay, it will be a practice for you. Okay, so make a habit to write the answer of the question, okay, that I put to you. Okay, so now let's start. Let's speak another one. आप कब कब खेलने आते हो? वो किसे प्यार करता है? संजीव कहाँ कहाँ जाता है? मैं उसे घर भेज देता हूँ. वो किसकी कार चलाती है? आप किस किस के साथ बात करते हो? कौन जाता है? कौन कौन जाते हैं? ओके, so in this way I have completed 42 sentences. Okay, 42 sentences. Okay, and these all sentences are related to present indefinite. Okay, present indefinite. Okay, present indefinite. Okay, indefinite. Okay, present indefinite. Okay, so if you know about the rules, okay, present indefinite rules, So you can understand these sentences in a very well manner, okay, by the help of the knowledge that you have gained in again in present indefinite lecture. Okay, so this is all for today. Okay, if you learn something from this video, okay, if you learn, so please subscribe this channel, okay, be the part of this channel, okay, and practice with me. Okay, this is 100-day challenge for you. Okay, you are allowed to make mistake. Okay, okay, don't worry about the mistake. It will be fine. Okay, it will be fine after some time. Okay, you are allowed to make a mistake. Okay, you're allowed to make mistakes. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Just speak out. Make a mistake. It is absolutely fine. Okay, but don't quit practicing. Okay, do it every day. Okay, just like me. Definitely, you are going to improve. So if you like this video, okay, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Okay, and help me to grow this channel. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning and keep getting better. And I will get back to you soon with a test video. Okay, where I will put some questions. Okay, I will put some sentences, Hindi sentences, and you can test your knowledge or you can test your learnings. Okay, so that's all for today. Keep learning and keep getting better.